What is the biggest problem with Airbnb? While there are many benefits using Airbnb, it's important to be aware about potential challenges. I can highlight three main from our experience. Security and safety. Unlike traditional hotels, Airbnb hosts are not forced to adhere to some safety regulations that could put guests at risks because the lodging might not be the highest caliber, right? So, and sometimes you have risks or to have like problems with security, especially in some areas. The environment is changing, everything is changing, so yeah, it could be really risky for your guests and for yourself. Guests who are loud and disruptive, expect that they can throw a party at your house, they can disturb your neighbors, increasing traffic and commercialization of residential areas are some of the issues that some locals have taken problems with. Short-term rentals regulations, that's a huge pain in the neck. Recently, it has been tightened in various places due to those problems. Since there are no established quality control procedures at Airbnb, you might not know that what you are getting into until you get there. This may result in unpleasant surprises like uncertain lodgings, amenities, poor customer service. So make sure that you understand everything before you start. And make sure before you rent in any properties, you understand what it is. How you can do this? With clear communication. Ask questions. Clarify anything you might need to understand where you're going, what are you setting up yourself for. So right below this video you will find all our services, links and descriptions. If you would like to start and do Airbnb service and just host with your property or properties, send us a message, email us, text us, so we can arrange quality time to provide best results, best practices to your table, right? And obviously more money for you and peace of mind.